Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Echoes of Aincrad game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's find the solutions. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you have to just go below and here you will find all the requirements to play the game hassle free. So make sure your PC have all the required specs that is mentioned over here, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that you have to go to the search option. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. So first of all, search for the game. So the game is listed over here. If you cannot find it, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application and add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it. Once the game files are verified, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue continues again and again, then you have to come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update Windows. Make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If it doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue and the game is launching or not. But if the problem still exists, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Similarly, for GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. After that, launch the game and check. Next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, you have to go to the search option. Now search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on storage, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache. This will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You'll need to log into Steam, so simply confirm it. After that, log into it and now try to launch the game and check whether it's working now. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already given the link in the description. You have to copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, you have to go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time, and after you get setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC once, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if your PC have installed any antivirus software, then it may create problem while launching the game. So you are suggested to disable the antivirus software before launching the game, and after that try to play it and check. Next is to move the game to SSD. So make sure your game is installed on SSD and not on another drive. If so, then you can suffer from crashing or several other issues. So you can check it. Go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on storage, and here you will find whether the game is installed on SSD or on other drive. So if the game is installed on another drive, you have to select it, and after that click on move option and move the game to SSD. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to delete temp files. So you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %temp %. Press OK. Whatever you get, these are all temp files. You simply have to select them, and after that click on the delete option. So this will delete the temp files. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. So search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You simply have to select them, and after selecting, right click on it, click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check. Next is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, click on the download option. So this will download DirectX on your system. After that, you have to install it. After installing it, you have to run the game and check if it's working now. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So you have to click on add desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here, you have to select the application. After adding the game to the list, you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Now after doing this, try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, you are suggested to reinstall Echoes of Aincrad game. For that, you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall option. So this will delete the game from your PC and remove it completely. After that, you have to restart your PC once. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart. So once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, log into it, and after that again reinstall Echoes of Aincrad game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Echoes of Aincrad game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS, or several other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.